Pia Wurtzbach, wala nga bang professionalism? Natanong nga ni Boy Abunda si Heart Evangelista kung ano ang tunay na istorya patungkol sa kanila ni Pia Wurtzbach. Ani Hart. Truly, I think I said that in the past. Like, when you go to Fashion Week, everyone can come. What is the issue? And honestly, please let's stop because there are dozens who go there. But again, it goes back. I went through hell in the past with certain people. You don't just, do certain things. There's professionalism. And I'm a professional. I work hard for what I have. All is fair in love and war. I get that. But there are some things I feel that okay naman tayo eh. Walang ganunan, parang ganun. But then again, you have to go with your life. I am so grateful for what I have. I do not question what happened. Now, kung naging casualty ka dun sa sitwasyon na yon, nilagay mo ang sarili mo dun. Wala, ganun talaga. But that's done and truly, I'm thankful.